Hi you guys, it is Patrick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I've been making Starbucks drinks on this channel. I think we're coming up on about a year now. A year of Starbucks drinks. You guys, how did that happen? I am shook. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to continue doing this. It's honestly the best job in the whole world. It doesn't even feel like a job, but it is, and that's amazing. And I'm kind of at the point now where I can go back in my drink catalog and start to improve some of my recipes. And the first recipe that I knew when I got the opportunity I wanted to improve is my vanilla bean frappuccino recipe. Now, it's not that my old one is like the worst ever. It's actually, I think, one of the better ones that is published online. A lot of them are just vanilla milkshakes, and that's not a frappuccino. It's just not. I don't know why people try to make it one. But I have found an even better way of making this drink at home, and I wanted to share it with you guys. If there's a better way to do it out there and I know about it, I'm gonna share it with you guys. And recipes are kind of just not the thing that are set in stone. They're always up for improvement, for revision. That's what I love about cooking. That's what I love about baking. You can improve, you can tweak things, change things, and do things in an entirely new way. And that is exactly what we're doing today. And a lot of you guys love my old vanilla bean frappuccino recipe, so if you want to continue making that, I'm not gonna stop you. Continue making that. I will leave it up. It's going to stay public. It's a really cool era of my life that I can look back on. But I kind of just wanted to show you guys my new favorite way of making this drink at home. It's super easy, even easier than my last one, and I think it tastes even more like the one from Starbucks. So I kind of just want to give you some context on where the vanilla bean frappuccino fits in on the menu, the clientele that loves it, and kind of why it's amazing. This is the drink of all drinks for little kids. They love this. Like, all of the children who come into Starbucks, they just get a vanilla bean frappuccino. It's amazing. If you don't drink coffee or tea, it's amazing. No caffeine. If you don't like those drinks, the vanilla bean frappuccino is your go-to. You really cannot get a better just vanilla flavored drink on the menu. It is vanilla bean at that. I love vanilla beans so much more than vanilla extract even. It's just such a richer, more intense flavor. And I love like how it looks in the drink, like the little vanilla flecks throughout the drink. It looks so cute. Boom. This is what you're going to need to make this at home and have it taste just like the one from Starbucks. This is not sponsored. I wish it was. I would love to just show you this and get paid to show you this, but we're not there yet. But yes, this is the Big Train blended cream vanilla bean, that's a lot of words, mix. This is a frappe mix specifically for frappes, and it's amazing. As you can see, this little picture down here looks just like the Starbucks one, and it tastes just like it. I love this. So the best thing about this is if you have Amazon or if you have Amazon Prime, you can just get this shipped right to your door, usually within 1 to 2 days, and you can start making this drink at home. This is not too expensive. It's like $20 for a 3.5 pound bag. So you are going to be getting a lot of drinks from this bag, and compared to the amount of money that this drink is at Starbucks, just get this. Your wallet will thank you. And what I love about this mix is that it's just plain vanilla bean, and you can really build flavors on top of this. And I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do this in a few other videos, but this is just a great base flavor for even more flavors. So the main ingredients in here is sugar, non-fat milk, more sugar, ground vanilla beans, yes! And all like the things that I can't pronounce. That's probably not the best, but it's what it is. So the great thing about this is you only need this, milk, ice, whipped cream, and you're good to go. That's all you need, and you can have frappuccinos at home every single day, all day, every day, yes. And this is the Big Train brand, and they have a ton of different flavors. So if you like chocolate, I think they even have like cotton candy, you can totally get those. This is your kitchen and you're the boss. Okay, so I'm going to be making a venti sized drink. So those are the measurements that I'm gonna be providing for you guys. So one piece of equipment that you are going to need is a blender. You know I love my NutriBullet. This is my go-to for all my frappuccinos. So but please use whatever blender you have, just make it work. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to pour into my blender is milk. And at Starbucks, for all of our Frappuccinos, we use whole milk. It's just a lot creamier, a lot richer, and I think it just makes the drink a lot better. But if you are vegan or plant-based, please feel free to use a plant-based milk here. I know they have a ton of milk options for you guys, so do whatever you want. And for the venti size drink, I'm going to be using 9 ounces, or like just a little over a cup of milk. So yes. And now I'm just going to open up my bag of mix. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. So vanilla-y. Okay, period. And I'm just going to scoop out 1 cup of mix. The sugar of it all, wow. Okay, 1 cup of mix going in, and you do want to make sure to put the milk on the bottom. And then I'm gonna add 18 ounces of ice, or about like 2 cups of ice to the blender. Okay, so we have our milk, our powder, and our ice. That is all we need for this drink. Is this not the easiest thing in the world? You can do this, guys. I believe in you. And now we can just go ahead and blend this up until it is the consistency that you want. If you want it thicker, then just add more ice. If you want it thinner, then just add more milk. But yes, we are going to blend it. Okay, are you ready? And just like that, it is done. It is blended, it's thick, it's creamy. You can see the vanilla throughout. Oh my gosh, you guys. How simple was that? Come on. So easy. Okay, so now we can just pour this into the Starbucks cup. I'm obviously using a Starbucks cup just to make it as copycat as possible. Yes, yes, yes. We're just going to do this. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smell is gonna look so good. Just like the one from Starbucks. That's what we're going for. It's the perfect consistency too. It's like not too thick, but it's not too thin. And we got those measurements just right. And then a Frappuccino is not a Frappuccino without all of the whipped cream on top. Yes, yes, yes. This is the best part of the drink. Okay, you guys, we did it. We made the vanilla bean Frappuccino updated version, updated 2021 version. This looks amazing. It looks just like the Starbucks one. It's so creamy, it's so white, it has all the vanilla flecks, the whipped cream on top. Okay, let's give it a try. This is so good, like so good. It's creamy, it's like sweet, vanilla flavor coming through. Vanilla, 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 vanilla extreme. Oh my gosh. A lot of people think vanilla is just like plain and boring and like, ugh, why is she even there? But vanilla has such a good flavor to it. It's just perfect in this simple, elegant, amazing drink. Yes. Oh my gosh. If you are a lover of the vanilla bean Frappuccino, please give this recipe a try. You will not regret it. I would not lead you wrong. Trust me on that one. This is so much more affordable and so much easier just making it at home than going to Starbucks every single day to get this. And like I said, this is the perfect recipe to build on. If you want to add like caramel drizzle or like strawberries to it, please do whatever you want. This is just a good staple base recipe for you to make all of your elegant and amazing Starbucks creations. I will have the full recipe down below, and I will also link to the Frappuccino mix that I used. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you loved it, be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm at @ThePatrickMeyer, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.